Hi guys, this is Chandravir Kumar. In this video, I'm going to cover how we can start from scratching to log in into Azure portal. So let's begin. Just we can search for Azure portal login in Google. We found many links. You can start with anyone. So this is Microsoft Azure portal. Here we can see free account. And if you have existing account, then we can just log in with existing credentials. So we can go with free account, or we have a new to Azure starts free. Here we have two options. One is start free and one is for buy now. So if we start with start free, we will have 12-month subscriptions. So for 1 month we have some credit amount and do some activity on Azure portal. But this account will be active till 12 months, and we will not be any charged until we don't upgrade. So let's start with the start free account. You need email ID. So this is our existing one. Let me start with another new one. This is new account I am going to create in Azure portal. So let's see. So as it is saying, like, it just send a OTP, like OTP password, to activate this account. Yeah, got one verification password with code 3256. So we just put password here 3256 and start the process. This validation need to cover. We just follow the steps to log in into Azure portal for free account. Here we see chandutest05gmail.com. Try Azure for free, and we have to put some details for our profile, like our first name, email address, phone code, optional. Next, it will ask for our phone number. So phone number is, we'll send a code again to our mobile for verification. So I got message. This is the steps we need to follow to log in Azure free account. Here, like profile, it will ask for some identification and some agreement. We need to log in using credit card, so it will deduct only 2 rupees for just for verification, and it will be like credited, return back to your account for after a month completed. Let's see. Still validating. Yeah, so it's validation done. Now it's asking for agreement. So here this is asking for card holder's name, the credit card details. It will not allow debit card. It will only allow for credit card. So we need to put the credit card details here. We put the details here, credit card details, like whatever the number we have, the name, and the credit card detail you can put here whatever the details number, CBB, the address. This way, if you go next, it will deduct your 2 rupees from your credit card, and you will be able to log in your Azure portal. This is the last step. So I have already account. Let me show you, like when we log in first time to Azure portal. So Azure portal login. We have already account, start free. This is giving error, no problem. We can try again. Again, this is showing some error. This happens, so we don't need to fear with that. Yeah. And now we are into Azure portal. Here you can see I am logging with my email ID. This is my profile, and here is portal option. So if we click on portal, it will show the Azure portal where we can start our activities. This is first time login. I have login with my past user ID and credentials. You can see here the 13,300 credit amount, and it's asking for the detailed information if you want to go with options. So I am just clicking here, maybe later. You can go to take a tour. So this is the notification. You can see that this is the amount first time it will be getting in your account, which you can use for first month, and then you can upgrade to pay as you go subscriptions. So until and unless you don't click this, you will be not charged any amount with your credit card. So this is safe, purely safe. Don't be scared. Here, see, this is the component and the tasks. You can see in the Azure portal. This is the option here. You can select and create any activities, any task from here. This is just for long. This video is just for starting Azure portal and login, how to account create and how to log